Hi friends, I am Amulya. Now I am going to explain about Baumol's sales revenue maximization theory without advertisement. History of Baumol. William Jack Baumol, born in 26 February 1922 and died in 4th May 2017, South Bronx, New York, United States. He was an American economist. He was a professor of economics at New York University, academic director of Berkeley Center of Entrepreneurship of Innovation, and he was a prolific author of more than 80 books and several hundred journal articles. Let's we know about the Baumol's theory of sales and revenue maximization. First one, sales maximization. V.J. Baumol suggests sales revenue maximization in his book was Business Behavior, Value and Growth, and an alternative goal to profit maximization. The main aim of the firm is to maximize sales, and according to this theory, once profit reach acceptable level, the goal of the firm become maximization of sales revenue rather than maximization of profit. Second one, revenue maximization. Revenue maximization is a theoretical objective of a firm which attempts to sell at a price which achieves the greatest sales revenue, and also this would occur at the point where the extra revenue from selling the last marginal unit. Next, we go through the models. Baumol's theory of sales revenue maximization models. These models having two types: static model of sales maximization and dynamic model of sales maximization. Static model of sales maximization represents it is a single time period oligopoly firm. It means it is a small number of firm, and also it will be sales maximization objectives. Second one, dynamic model of sales maximization. Dynamic model is the time horizon extended, its cost are u-shaped, profit is not constant, it means it is not restrictions. Static model of sales maximization have two types, with advertisement and without advertisement. Static models of sales maximization. It has a time horizon of the firm is a single period. A time horizon will be in a single period. A firm is aiming for only that particular period. It is not what will happen in the subsequent, means future periods, and final the result will decision taken in a current period. The certain minimum profit constraint is determined by the market condition like customer needs and was customers demand curve. It will be sloping downwards, and it will be average curve will be a u-shaped, and also minimum profit to satisfy shareholders expectations and keep up share price and meet bank requirements. Next, we are study about the static model of sales without advertisement. In the figure, the TC will represent the total cost and MP will represent the minimum profit. Firm maximization is profit at O and Q level of output corresponding to the highest point of B on the T and P curve. But aim of the firm is to maximize sales rather than profit. The sales maximization output is O and K, where the total revenue K and L is maximized and highest of T and R. Next, the sales maximization output O and K is greater than the profit maximization output O and Q, but the sales maximization is subjected to the minimum profit constraint. Next, if minimum profit constant is represented by line through M and P, The output O and K will minimize the sales of minimum profit of O and M and not being covered by the total profit of K and S. For sales maximization, the first should produce O and D level of output, where minimum profits DC equal to DC it will equal to OM are consistent with DE amount of total revenue at the price DE and OD. DE represents to the total revenue and OD represents to the total output. Next, according to Baumol model of sales maximization, point of that the profit maximization output of O and Q will be smaller than the sales maximization output of O and K, and it will price higher than under sales maximization. Thank you for watching my videos.